Today we're going to talk about what do you do when you get in an automobile accident. Steve, can you tell us what do you do and what do you don't do, things like that?
Absolutely critical, important question. It's so critical, Michael, that we may want to spread it out over several videos. Maybe initially we hit the highlights, but I will tell you that claims and cases are going to be won or lost depending on what's done or not done at the collision site. So it's just a wonderful topic. Let me try to remember most of the highlights. Obviously, when you're first in a collision, you're excited, you're nervous, the adrenaline is running. Obviously, you check who's injured, how you feeling, stabilize the situation, your passengers, yourself, kind of do a self-inventory. When you can, certainly you need to immediately call 911, call for help, call for an ambulance, call for the police. If you're physically able to, you might check on the other folks, but honestly, take care of yourself and your passengers first.
You want to see maybe if there's witnesses around.
Critically important. Don't assume, and this is from my own personal experience. I'll be honest. We've all been involved in them. Don't assume either that the police are going to get it right, or do a complete investigation, or what I did, I assumed the other driver was going to be honest later on and admit and concede to fault, and he was at fault. Don't assume that. One of the first things you need to do, if you're physically able to, again, lots of times you're not going to be able to. If you're not able to, if you can get someone you trust there to the scene, if you see someone there at the scene, you can who can help out. Get them to help you out. Do that, but you got to gather and find witnesses. I can't tell you how many police reports I come across and it mentions a witness, and there's no information on them. So get someone, if you can't, to do a little digging themselves immediately, because witnesses scatter quickly. Immediately ask around. Hey, did anyone see this? Anyone see this? And get good contact information. A witness is no good without good contact information. They will evaporate and leave the scene and be lost forever very quickly. So that is key critical. If you're up to it, or you can get someone there, take a look around, or their video cameras, or their cameras in the signal lights, witnesses. Take photographs. Take photographs of the roadway conditions, of course, the damage to the vehicles. Get the investigation underway if you're capable, or you can get someone there that's capable. Get immediately. Don't think that cop is going to do a full and complete investigation. Look, those guys are great. They try, but oftentimes they've just come from a call. They get another call. They've had a long day. They're tired. It's hot. You'll help your lawyer out. Do as much investigation as you can there on the scene.
Would you recommend going to the hospital if they feel hurt?
That's a personal decision, but yes, emergency rooms are great. They're geared for this. But along those lines, and we were talking before we got the camera rolling about what to say to a police officer and what not to say.
In fact, let's make that another video. What to say to a police officer when you get in an automobile accident.